Hello guys, welcome. In this video we will learn how to use Claude Code for free with powerful AI models. In previous tutorials we have used Ollama, we have used OpenRouter. I often receive comments that this is not Claude Code, so let me tell you something. Claude Code is AI agentic framework that is absolutely free. Its models like Opus and Sonnet, they are paid, but today here I will show you how to use a free model that is as powerful as Opus 4.6 with Claude Code for free. So let's start. So first we will go here and search here Minimax 2.5 versus Opus 4.6. Now here I will go to this images and we will select this one. If I open this, now here the programming capabilities of both is analyzed. Now if I go down here, you can see it here. Minimax 2.5 SWE bench is 80.2% and Opus is 80.8%, a bit higher than it. Then is tool calling. Here Minimax is better. Multi SWE bench Minimax is better. Output speed, this is better, and output price, this is better. It has a small price, but we will use it for free. So Opus 4.6 is a bit better than Minimax, but Minimax is as powerful as Opus 4.6. So here we will use Minimax 2.5 free with Claude Code. So I'll close this. I'll close this. So now here I will type OpenCode. Now I'll go to this first link, OpenCode.ai. So now here OpenCode installation method is given. OpenCode is also an AI agentic framework like Claude Code. You can also use this in place of Claude Code. So we will install this. So for that I will click on this npm. I'll copy this. For this to install you need that Node.js is installed on your system. So how can we install Node.js? I'll open a new tab. I'll use Node.js, hit enter, go to this first link, get Node.js, click on this window installer and it will start downloading Node.js. I've already installed, so I'll pause this. The installation is pretty simple. Open the exe and next and it will install. Now I'll again come to this OpenCode. I'll copy this line and now I'll go to CMD or PowerShell. Open it and now I'll paste this here. So now you can see here it is successfully installed, and if I type OpenCode, so it is showing me OpenCode here. Now I'll close this and now we will get API key for this. So for that I will click on this Zen, click on this login. I've already created. Let me log out from this, log out, and now I'll again click login. I've already created an account with this. You can directly continue with Google. I'll click on this continue with Google and it will create you as an account. Now do not enable billing. Come to this API key and create API key. Name this Claude for free. Create this one. I'll copy this key. And now I'll again come to PowerShell, hit enter, type here OpenCode. So OpenCode interface will appear. Now here we will type /connect. Now it is asking me here to provide API key. So if I paste my API key, hit enter. So now you can see Minimax you can pick. And now I can send it a hi. And it is very fast, as you can see. Now our OpenCode is connected. So now we will install Claude Code. So for that I will close this. Go to this claudecode.com product/Claude Code. Copy this line or just type Claude Code docs. Go to this first link, quick start, go down, and here the method is given for Windows and for Mac Linux. So I'll copy this PowerShell command. I'll go here, type PowerShell, hit enter and paste the command. Now it will take some time in installation of Claude Code. So now you can see here our Claude Code is successfully installed. So I'll close this. I'll close this as well. Now I'll go to this PC, C, here to this users, HP, and down here I'll search for .Claude folder. You can see it here. If you do not see here .Claude folder, so go to this view, show and show hidden items. Now I'll open this. We will open this settings.json. If this file does not exist here, you can create one here. So I'll double click on this to open it. Now it is opened in Visual Studio Code. You can open it in any editor or text editor. Now I'll go here to this notepad. I have copied some text here. I'll copy this. This will be available in the description of the video and I will paste it right here and I will put a comma at the end. Now I'll control S this. Now here we will provide our OpenCode Zen API key. So for that I will again come to this Chrome, as we have already created this Claude for free. So I'll copy this API key and I'll paste it right here. Remember, you have to create this API key you are on, because I am going to delete this API key so that no one can use it. Now I'll control S this. I'll close this. Now here I will come to SameDR PowerShell. I'll type Claude. Yes. Click yes here as well. Now type here /model. Hit enter. And from here select this Minimax 2.5 free. Hit enter. Now I'll ask it which model you are using. So as you can see, it is very fast. What is your specialty? So now you can see it can do software engineering, full stack development, code review and architecture, scripting and automation, research and exploration. So in this way you can use Claude Code for free with OpenCode. So I think this is enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.